Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you can either add, edit, or remove rooms to your cleaning map through the SharkClean app. So what we're going to do is launch SharkClean. And from the homepage of the SharkClean app, what we want to do is click on the menu in the upper left-hand corner. With the menu open, we want to click on where it says Map. That takes us over to this page. I'm assuming you've already had the robot vacuum explore your area and create a map. If you don't like the map that it created for whatever reason, or if you want to move furniture, things like that, you can always from this page click re-explore, where the robot vacuum will go around and map things out again. But to create rooms, what we want to do is click on where it says edit map. Make sure you're selected on the rooms option and then click the little plus sign where it says add. That will pop up a little box on the screen where you can drag and drop it where you'd like it to be located. So let's say I want to put a box around this room right here. And if you need to make the box a little bit smaller, you can zoom in by clicking on the little plus icon magnifying glass here. And if we zoom in, and then I'm going to get this right around this particular room on my map. And towards the bottom of the screen, I'm going to click on label so I can label this room what I want it to be. And this room is a bathroom, so I'm going to select that option right there and then click update. So I can now see that this has been labeled as a bathroom, finishing up exactly where I want it to be located, and that looks good. So now at this point, I want to save this room. At the top of the screen, I'm going to click on this check mark and then click yes, save. And this room has now been saved to the map. I want to do an additional room. I'm going to do my office right here next. So again, clicking on where it says edit map, and then I'm going to add a room, and I'm going to drag and drop this box over the area where my office is located. With that box located where I want it to be, I'm going to select the label option and select office, and then click update. And I'm going to save this as well. So clicking the check mark in the upper right-hand corner, then click yes, save. And now I have the bathroom and the office set as separate rooms on my original map. If you would like to edit or remove the rooms that you've added to your map, at the bottom of the screen, again, you can click Edit Map. And then you can select on the particular room that you would like to make changes to. So once you have a room selected, you can change the size of the box. Or at the bottom of the screen, whichever room you have selected, you can delete it as well if you'd wish to do that. And anytime you make changes to the map, just be sure you always click the check mark in the upper right-hand corner to save the changes to your map. So now I'm going to head back to the home screen. And now I can see on my home screen with the original map that was created, I now have this room labeled as office, this one as bathroom. And you can do this with as many rooms that you would like to indicate on the map as you see fit for your situation. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to add, edit, or delete maps to the map that is created through the SharkClean app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel for more content in the future.